if call screening is not working on your iPhone. So in this video, I will show you how you can fix this issue. Now, first of all, just remember that you need at least iOS 26 for this feature to work. Now just go to settings and check the iOS version of your iPhone. Now, if your iPhone is on iOS 26, but if this feature is not working, then just go back to the main settings page and tap on apps. From this app list, just look for the phone app, then tap on it. Now from here, just scroll down and look for the section of screen unknown callers. Now if it is on never or silence, just select ask reason for calling. Now after you select this option, now just check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just turn off any third-party ID services which you have enabled. Now you can disable those settings under the phone settings. Now under the phone settings, just look for the option of call blocking and identification. Now from here, just scroll down and look for that option. Now currently I do not have that option under the phone settings, but if you have added any third-party ID services, you can disable them under the call blocking and identification section. And after you've done that, now just go to your home screen and perform a force restart on your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. Now after the force restart is completed, just check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then the last thing you can do is just go to settings, and under settings just tap on general. Tap on software update, and from here just check if you have any software update available or not. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPhone, as this could be a software glitch which will be fixed through a software update. And this is how you can fix call screening is not working on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.